Hey y'all, I just received my first Just Meats box, and I'm so excited to unbox it with you. I'm part of their ambassador program, so huge thanks to Just Meats for sending over this incredible variety pack. 6 pounds of top quality, chef-prepared meats, all sourced from ranchers who truly care about sustainability and flavor. Let's get into it. Everything in this box is 100% grass-fed, no hormones, no GMOs, no additives. Just clean, delicious meat, and let me tell you, you can taste the difference. Each cut is hand-trimmed, seasoned to perfection, and cooked by classically trained chefs and award-winning pitmasters. They really know how to bring out the flavor. Ordering from them was super easy, and I love how everything is flash frozen to lock in that freshness. It arrived in perfect condition. And they've made reheating so simple, whether you're using a skillet, air fryer, or oven. Perfect for a busy lifestyle. If you want to try Just Meats for yourself, use my discount codes at checkout for $25 off your order. You can't go wrong with these farm-fresh Pitmaster smoked meats. So let me share with you which ones I have. First up is Just Meats Hawaiian Teriyaki Beef. Get ready for a taste of the islands right from your own kitchen. Just Meats includes sauce packets with their meals, and for those concerned about ingredients, they mention if soy is present, using gluten-free soy sauce in particular. This transparency allows customers to easily see if the meat or sauce in their specific meal contains soy. Since soy sauce is a key ingredient in teriyaki sauce, it's important for customers to be aware, especially if they are mindful of allergens or dietary preferences. Get ready to feast your eyes on some mouth-watering Texas pulled pork from Just Meats. Smoky, tender, Pitmaster prepared pulled pork, slow-cooked to perfection. This Texas-style delicacy is bursting with bold, savory flavors and delivered right to my door. Get ready for a mouth-watering explosion of flavors. Sweet and spicy pork, a delicious combination of tender, savory pork with the perfect balance of sweetness and heat. Whether you're hosting dinner or craving something flavorful, this dish is sure to impress. Delicious pollo asado from Just Meats. This grilled, marinated chicken is full of bold, smoky flavors straight from the Pitmasters. Perfectly seasoned, this chicken is ready to heat and serve for an easy, flavorful meal. Next up is Hawaiian Teriyaki Chicken. This juicy chicken marinated in a sweet and tangy teriyaki sauce brings a taste of the islands right to my kitchen. Get ready for mouth-watering flavors and a simple preparation process that will make your dinner a tropical delight. Now we have Just Meats Buffalo Chicken Breast. This is the perfect protein for spice lovers, and I can't wait to dive in. Juicy, tender chicken with that signature buffalo flavor. All sourced from clean, high-quality ingredients with no hormones, steroids, or additives. Just Meats truly delivers a product you can feel good about. Just Meats delivers world-class flavor, thanks to recipes crafted by classically trained chefs and award-winning pitmasters. Once you place your order and receive a confirmation email, it will take 5 to 7 days to process. Your order arrives frozen, flash frozen right after cooking to lock in flavor and freshness. Storage recommendations: 10 days in the fridge, 90 to 120 days frozen. Check out my link in the description box. Be sure to use my discount code for $25 off. Just a note, as an affiliate of Just Meats, I may earn a small commission from purchases made through the links in this content at no extra cost to you.